welcome back. It's been a long time coming. Well, obviously things have been happening in the world. I've been stuck in Queensland, so I can't get these videos out to you. So today, I'm actually at my friend's house. He's got the truck. He's been doing a bit of work on it. So I'll give you a run through what's been going on in the last 4 months, I think it's been, since I've uploaded. Hasn't a hell of a lot of change, but all the little tinkers is just slowly been getting done, which is good. And I appreciate it, so let's go through it. Well, under the bonnet, he's got all the catch can hooked up for me, stuff like that. We've changed the radiator lines, which I'll show you. Got the grill support in. The biggest thing is I've got sump to diff clearance now. As you can see, he's cut the brace off, put it underneath. It's all made out of the same stuff. But these little ports here got taps on it, good for bleeding. Come around. The hoses go under the car now, so they've got a guard on them. As you can see here, where are they? There they are. Go up underneath, and they come up. Still come up through the floor, up to the radiator. Temporary for now. We've fixed the radiator. As the last one you would have seen had a hole in it, so we've welded it up, and he also did a top flow so we can bleed it and fill it. So much easier, a lot easier. Keep walking around, get to see everything. Here he is, Pop. See what else we got going on.
Hey, we haven't got any drink holders.
Oh, cup holders. Yeah, that's true. That's pretty much it inside. Got some window nets. Got the floor done. See how we go. Does it still fire up? Oh yeah. Now we're talking. So, we'll put this bonnet down. Actually go for a drive. Give me a sec. Temporary fix. Tilly, come on. Oh, this is sick. If you're wondering, my ute hasn't changed. Actually going forward driving in tomorrow. I don't trust him. Tilly.
Wait, petrol?
Ah, maybe he ran out of fuel. Oh, again, Tilly hit the button. Wow. Got to bolt the seat in. Tilly.
I think Scotty's being a bit of a pussy, but he's under instructions not to rip up the lawn. So far he's doing pretty well.